The first Scottish one, I'm offended. I mean, who does she think she is? Like, thinking that she could do a Scots accent. I mean, it's absolutely rude for her to just be like, oh, I'm from Scotland. Well, you're not. I'm from Scotland and I know a Scots accent when I hear it. And that, my friend, was not a Scots accent. Who do you think you are? So I'm going to ask you a wee favour. If you could go to a website, it's called theaccentbank.com, and basically you just download a script. It takes 3 minutes to read it. Just grab your phone, stick it in front of your face. If you don't want your face to be on the video, just put record on and hold your phone down on the table. Record the script, upload it to me, send it via WeTransfer to my email address, which is sarah@actorsaccentcoach.com. And then I put it up on the Accent Bank so that others can listen to your voice and listen to your Scots accent. Anyway, I don't know. Hopefully it's a wee bit better. Take care.